I've been searching for you for years. It was more than just a car, it was a dream. A memory of something once perfect, now lost and forgotten. For years, I searched every corner, every yard, every auction. People told me I was crazy, obsessed even, but how could I let go? The 1963 AC Greyhound, rusted, dusty, forgotten, yet in my mind it was never really gone. When I found it, buried under piles of scrap, I felt like I could finally breathe. It wasn't just a car, it was a connection to something I couldn't explain. I brushed my fingers over the cold, weathered frame. This was it, the car I had longed for, the car I had to bring back to life. People said I'd never find it, but here it is, finally, my Greyhound, waiting.